Alright, on to number 21. This is the Algebra 2 exam for 2012 Pacific High School Math Competition. Alright, okay, determine the slope of a line passing through the points 6, 6 and 15, 12. What I can do is, okay, first I'll sketch it out, and then I'll show you a formula, explain why the formula works, and then use the formula with what we have here. So the slope of a line is just how fast. Okay, let's have a random example. Let's say this is 3, 4, and this is 10, 9. Okay, you want to find the slope of the line, and the slope of the line is how much does it rise, the y, over a unit of run. So you find the difference in the y values between the two coordinates and the difference between the x values. So then you get the slope indicated by the letter m. This is actually, I think, French for the letter like monter. I don't know. I can't do French. And it's I think it's French for like to climb or incline or mountain maybe. Anyway, so let's so the slope is just the difference of the y values, the second y value minus the first y value, the second x over the second x value minus the first x value. That's the formula, and we'll just apply it to this over here. I'll change colors. M is equal to, this is y2 is 18 minus 6 over 15 minus 6. This is 12 over 9 equals 4/3, and that is answer choice D. And we have our answer.